Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconi Riviera espresso machine. Now this beautiful machine was brought to us because it had multiple issues. Starting with the power core. This is the original power core of the machine, and as you can see, well, it was better to replace it than it was better to replace it with the power core. We replaced it with a brand new one, and we also replaced some of the parts that you see right here, including the knob that goes on the boiler, the gauge. Unfortunately, as you see, this one was not serviceable anymore. And we also replaced the gaskets of the spring lever, one that are right here, and also the gasket of the group head with the exact same gasket that we have right here. We also replaced the power switch, and we also replaced some other gaskets around, as well as the side glass of the machine itself. So yeah, we did a lot of work on this beautiful machine. Now, unfortunately, we do not have the portafilter, so we will not be able to test it, but we will still be able to test the steamer and the filter. Now, for the steamer, as you can see, quite a lot of steam coming out of this machine. Excellent pressure. Looking amazing. Just look at that steam. Beautiful. And now we're gonna be testing the group head. As you can see, water definitely comes out. Excellent pressure, working really well. Getting hot and pressurizing. So there you have it. Zacconi Riviera working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit a like, hit a bell, and thanks for watching.